Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. What a volatile day for the last few days. I'm not talking about today. For the last 2 weeks, Nifty is making more than 200-point move within 24 hours. If you see from day before yesterday high to yesterday's low, it was more than 200 point. And if you see from yesterday's low to today's high, it is again more than 200 point higher. And almost on alternate days, Nifty is making a bigger move. But one thing today is good, that market recovered significantly from yesterday's low. So yesterday itself, I mentioned that, the globally, the extreme fear is there, and that seems to be subsiding. And that is evident yesterday, though Nifty fell nearly 100 points, but the India VIX did not go up. On the contrary, India VIX came down. And today, nearly 100-point gap up. Then after that, continue to sustain the gain. And that is really very, very surprising, given the fact that yesterday FII selling was one of the worst. Yesterday FIIs have sold for more than 4,400 crore. So the day when FIIs are selling 4,400 crore, the following day markets are rallying like this. And it was a broad-based rally. So all the banks, you don't know why Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, State Bank all fell yesterday, and today all those banks were higher. And morning, because today is expiry day, so yesterday the premiums would have been very, very small. People would have sold call option. Today they gap up, so they had to run for cover. And once that covering is over, the Nifty fell about 50-60 point, again shot up. And then again markets came down a little bit, and after that stabilized. In the afternoon, European markets opened slightly higher. Then immediately the US bond yield started moving higher. And when that news came, European markets came into selling pressure. And then again it stabilized. Now European markets are trading in green, and US markets are a little bit volatile. And US jobless claims data came. That seems to be favorable to the market, but markets are jittery. So the markets are not still out of the woods, but they are just trying to make a comeback. I stated very clearly in the morning, the major trend is down only for our market. But since the downtrend started at 19,740, since the market has already fallen nearly 400 points, so the risk reward is not in favor of short sellers at this point of time. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty recovered. And however, today Reliance has not participated in the rally. So that is some, we can say, disappointment. While most of the stocks went higher, Reliance Industries did not go up at all. Looking at the open interest, so there are some interesting things. Number one, in the beginning of this month, Nifty 19,500 put option had the highest open interest, and there was hardly any call writing. And markets just went up only one day, and then after that started falling. And Nifty fell nearly 400 to 500 points from Friday's high. But despite that, 19,500 put option still has the highest open interest. And even the second highest open interest is also at 19,000 put option, not the call option. So the people are not selling call options actually. Very little calls were written, but more puts were written. Probably they are banking on this October theory. In the last 10 years, 9 years, October has given a positive return. Only 1 year, that is 2018, the markets have given negative return. So therefore, people may believe that, if not very strong positive, at least Nifty can go to positive territory So that will, help put sellers to make money. So that is one thing. Second thing, people maybe, the first set of results will be coming from IT stocks, because IT stocks have already underperformed for a long time. So even if the results are not good, so no, they are not likely to fall much from here. So this is what the market is thinking. So you can see that is evident from yesterday and today, the way IT stocks recovered from their lows. So today both TCS and Infosys went up. So by the time all the IT results are out, the time value would have gone. So no, because we still have one more public holiday in this month. October, it's a 4-week series, out of which 2 public holidays. So only 18 trading sessions. Now 1 week is gone. Now we have only about 14 more trading sessions for this expiry. And tomorrow, the markets will be focusing on RBI policy. Usually, just ahead of RBI policy, the bank Nifty used to come under selling pressure, but today it's just opposite. So the bank Nifty went up. But however, yesterday it was oversold, from 46,200, and it came down and broke 44,000 yesterday. So that could be one reason. So tomorrow markets will focus on RBI policy, and crude oil is coming down. So probably that is the reason why Reliance is not performing. So anyway, so we will see tomorrow. So what is going to happen? Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Apologies, our technical issues is still not resolved. It looks like it may take few more days. So thank you for your understanding. Bye.